Lesson number 11, 2.2, Activity Time. Now see some pictures and their names here. Mango, rose, lotus, potato, onion, tomato, rabbit, grapes, jasmine, snake, marigold, elephant, guava, apple, cucumber, tiger. You have seen pictures and read their names. Few of them are vegetables, few of them are flowers, few of them are animals, and few of them are fruits. Now, we'll make one chart and having 4 groups of fruit, vegetable, animal, and flower, and we'll write these naming words in the given groups. Fruits: mango, grapes, guava, apple. Vegetables: potato, onion, tomato, cucumber. Animals: rabbit, elephant, snake, tiger. Flowers: rose, lotus, jasmine, marigold. Who am I? Now we will solve the puzzle and we will get their name from puzzle. I have 2 hands, but I can't clap. Who am I? I am clock. I fly without wings and have a long tail. Who am I? I am kite. I have a bushy tail and like to eat nuts. Who am I? I am squirrel. I can easily eat leaves from the tall trees. I don't have to climb. I have a long trunk. Who am I? I am elephant. I have 2 horns and 4 legs. I work on the farm. Who am I? I am bullock.